Hey loves, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be doing a whole wash day routine from start to finish using all curly hair gift sets that I picked up from Walmart. Today's video is in partnership with Walmart, and all of these gift sets that I got are under $15 with full-size products. We have all different brands from Cantu, The Main Choice, Love Beauty and Planet, and there's also hair accessories, there's gel, there's curl creams, there's leave-ins, there's treatments, there's everything you can imagine in these gift sets. I've made sure to pick out something suitable for all different hair types, so if you guys are interested in what I used for today's wash and go using only holiday gift sets, then let's get into the video. Alright, so the first gift set I'm going to be trying out is from Love Beauty and Planet. This gift set was $14.92 and it has 3 full-size products. It has their Charcoal and Bergamot Delightful Detox Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Then it has their Delightful Detox Conditioner, and it also has this really cool sulfate-free shampoo scrub, which it says is for exfoliation for the scalp. So I think for today's wash day routine, I'm going to try this sulfate-free shampoo scrub, and then I'm also going to follow up with their conditioner. If you guys haven't heard of Love Beauty and Planet, I have actually used a few different lines from them that I've really liked. This is a relatively clean brand. Their products say that they're 97% naturally derived, and I believe they also use some sort of recycled packaging as well, so that's really great. On the back of the box it says no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. So this is going to be curly girl friendly. So this is actually going to be my first time trying this particular line from Love Beauty and Planet. And this line smells absolutely delicious. I can't wait to use this. So this scalp scrub has kind of like a jelly consistency. I've really never felt anything like this before. So I'm going to start out with just a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this straight to the scalp. Alright, so now that I've gone ahead and applied the scalp scrub, I'm going to go rinse this out. Now, of course, I would normally do this in the shower, but for today's video purposes, I did it out of the shower to kind of show you guys. But overall, this smelled amazing. It felt really, really nice on the scalp. And even for not being in the shower, it had a really good lather. So I definitely think this is a product worth trying, especially if you need a little bit more exfoliation on the scalp, if you have dandruff or any flakiness that you need to remove from the scalp. I think this is really going to help, and it smells bomb. So I just went ahead and rinsed out the shampoo scrub from my hair, and once I added that extra water, it really activated that lather, and it had those suds that I love when I'm washing, and this is a sulfate-free product, so I was really impressed. Now I'm going to go ahead and use their Charcoal and Bergamot Delightful Detox Conditioner. I'm going to detangle, and then we're going to get into our treatments and styling. So my final thoughts on this conditioner, it has the same amazing scent as the shampoo scrub, and it felt really lightweight while I was applying it, but it actually had a ton of slip, and I can definitely feel the moisture there. It's not overpowering or over moisturizing. I ended up really loving this line, and this one might actually be my favorite one that I've tried yet from Love Beauty and Planet. So I think this gift set is definitely a must-have for someone in your life, and I actually really think this scent is neutral enough to be gifted to anyone, all genders, any age. I really think they would enjoy this. This next gift set that I picked up from Walmart is from Cantu, and I actually got a couple Cantu gift sets to try out. This one is the Cantu Shea Butter Winter Care and Repair gift set. This also comes with 3 full-size products for a grand total of $9.88. And first in the package, we have the Cantu Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. We have the Cantu Shea Butter Tea Tree and Jojoba Hair and Scalp Oil. And then we have the Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I'm going to be trying out a little bit of the Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment and also the Hair and Scalp Oil. So for the Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment, it says on the back of the box that it helps to prevent breakage before it starts and encourages strong growth. helps protect hair against heat and styling damage. And for the directions, it says to massage into fragile areas such as edges, crown, and temples. This Grow Strong treatment actually has a cream consistency. So what I'm going to be doing is taking it from my mids to ends to actually get the benefits of the treatment. And then I'm going to go in with the scalp oil and apply it all over the scalp. Then I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out after about 30 minutes and then get started with my styling routine. This scalp oil is a little bit on the thicker side, so I think it would be great for someone with more textured hair or protective styles. It has a great scent and the consistency is very soft and smooth. So using this as a pre-poo treatment and leaving it overnight would also be great as well. Alright, so moving on to the styling portion, I have another gift set here. This is from the Main Choice, and this is called the 4-Leaf Clover Manageability and Softening Remedy. This gift set was only $14.88, and I believe this line is marketed more towards type 4 hair types. So if you have type 4 hair, or if you have somebody in your life, this might be the perfect line. I'm going to give this a try anyway, just to actually test out the products, see how they smell, see how they feel in my hair, and let you guys know what I think. So for this gift set, it has the Manageability and Softening Remedy Shampoo. It has the Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Moisturizing Styling Cream. And then it also has the Type 4-Leaf Clover Leave-In Spray. So for my hair today, I'm going to be trying the Leave-In Spray and the Styling Cream. For the Leave-In Spray, it says it's a daily leave-in spray detangling and minimizing frizz, boosts moisture and shine in dry, lifeless hair, helps to ease the styling process, adds natural luster and lasting shine, and lastly, softens, conditions, and protects. Alright, so I have to say I love this leave-in spray. It's a very light consistency, but I could definitely feel that added moisture. I think this would be great for any hair type really, and the Main Choice has a ton of great products, so I was pleasantly surprised with this one. The styling cream says it provides lasting moisture, body, and frizz-free results, delivers flexible hold for style longevity, adds definition and enhances texture, boosts natural shine and luster, smooth, strengthens, and protects, and helps to strengthen and minimize shedding. So I can definitely see why this moisturizing styling cream would be great for type 4 hair. It was a very thick consistency and you could feel a lot of those butters, like I know they have shea butter in here, avocado oil. Now to make this particular cream work for my hair, all I did was just use less product. Since my hair is pretty wet right now, the cream just kind of slid right through. It doesn't feel heavy or weighed down at all, but it feels moisturized and it really feels like the moisture has been sealed into my hair. Our last gift set, but certainly not least, is another one from Cantu. This one was also $14.88 and it has some pretty jumbo products in here. This one also says it's limited edition, winter style and hold. And in this gift set, we have the coconut curling cream. We have the avocado hydrating style gel, which is actually one of their newest releases. And then it also came with their detangling brush. I just also noticed that this coconut curling cream is actually a bonus size, so you're getting an even larger size in this gift set. And to use this for today's styling routine, I'm going to be using this new gel and trying it out. I've been wanting to for a while, and I figured why not just get the whole thing for $14.88. And I'm also going to be trying out this brush as well. This looks like a really good Denman brush dupe. So I'm going to be using this brush to actually help style the hair. Alright guys, so we are done with our wash day. This gel was really nice. It has a really nice scent, and it actually reminded me of the Eco Styling Gel, which I know is a fan favorite. It did pair very well with the moisturizing styling cream. There was no flaking or white spots or anything like that, so those two paired perfectly together. So I'm going to go ahead and diffuse and dry my hair, and I'll come back with the final results. Alright guys, I am back from diffusing my hair, and these are the final results from all the products that we used today. All the gift boxes under $15. gave me this bomb wash and go. My curls are super moisturized. We have a ton of volume and definition. Now, if you guys are interested in trying out any of these products or gifting these to a loved one or yourself, which I would highly recommend, I will leave all the links in the description box down below, and I'll also link more gift sets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a great holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video.